Hello kids, welcome to Cool Rumi Cartoon. Today's story is Sam Loves Trucks. Sam went on the walk through his neighborhood. He liked to find things and loved finding trucks best. Scared when the big garbage truck, the man threw the garbage in the back. Beep, beep, beep went the moving van. His neighbors backed into their driveway. Rumble, rumble, crash went the drop truck. It dropped rock in the construction site. Boom, 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 flop went the cement truck. It poured cement on the sidewalk. Meow, meow, meow. When the fire truck, it went racing down the street. Sam's favorite truck was big, red, and at his house. Daddy! Sam shouted. Now it's time to activity. What does Sam like finding the most on his walk? Trucks! Yay! What noise did the garbage truck make? Squeak! Yeah! What did the trump rock at the construction site? Yeah! What did the cement truck pour? Cement! Yeah! Bye bye!